The INFINIX Smart 3 Plus is a mid-range smartphone that was recently released last month by INFINIX. Hey guys, it's Samuel here and this is my quick review of the INFINIX Smart 3 Plus. The phone has a premium looking design that features a 6.2 HD plus IPS display with a 720 by 1520 resolution and 269 pixel density. The screen has a teardrop notch which houses an 8 megapixel camera and speaker. The back of the phone is made up of good looking plastic. The phone has a 30 megapixel AI shooter, a 2 megapixel for depth sensing, and a QVGA for night detection and flash. Also, on the back of the phone is the fingerprint sensor and INFINIX brandings. On the right, there is a power button and volume markers. On the left is a dual SIM and SD card tray. On the bottom is the speaker grills, micro USB port, microphone, and 3.5mm audio jack. The display is bright, so the phone can be used under direct sunlight. It also has eye care, which can be used to reduce the intensity of the phone brightness. INFINIX has cleaned up their phone settings and they also changed the icon packs. The phone comes with a 32GB storage and 2GB RAM, but only 25GB is available to use. Bloatware has taken about 10GB of storage, but luckily the bloatware can be deleted. The phone runs on Android 9.0 Pie and INFINIX Cheetah. INFINIX also used a dark theme for the quick settings, just like the INFINIX Hot X4. And the phone also has a smart panel, which is a nice feature. The phone has 3 different navigation gestures to choose from. The phone 3500 mAh battery lasted for a full day on average use and takes over 3 hours to charge from 0 to 100. And when I played some games, I noticed some lags here and there, but I can't complain much because of the phone's price. About the camera, the phone took some decent pictures, but the phone does not have a front-facing flash, but instead lights up the screen when taking selfies. Overall, the phone is a decent phone considering that it is priced at just 39,900, which is like approximately $110 US. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to get notified whenever I drop a new video.